How to repair Windows 10 on startup. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds to shut down your computer. Press and hold the power button to boot up your computer. Press and hold the power button immediately, when you see the startup logo, to force it to shut down again. Press and hold the power button again to boot up your computer. Press and hold the power button immediately, when you see the startup logo, to shut down your computer third time. Press the power button to boot up your PC and allow it to boot into WinRE. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Repair. Click your account name. Enter your password, then click Continue. Diagnose your computer can take several minutes. Follow any on-screen instructions.